WEG35 G-Force. So naka metal slide, polymer yung frame, may full auto function, naka speed trigger, threaded outer barrel.
Actually meron na siya mga ano, may nahanap lang siya garage.
So may magwell na rin guys with markings. And then naka enlarged magazine base plate. So outer barrel is silver. So may under rail na rin for accessory attachment. Price is 7,500. Test natin guys. By the way, magazine capacity is 26 rounds. Firing
Type lang.
369 366 auto.
May battery, merong ano.
Ito sir, yung mga battery po namin.